In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Shein item number, product code, or SKU number quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to track a product, check more details, or simply want to know for reference, finding this number can be straightforward once you know where to look. Let's dive into the process and I'll guide you step by step. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Shein website. You can do this by typing Shein into your search bar and selecting the official site from the results. Once you're on the Shein homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already too acquainted. It's got a vibrant and busy feel with plenty of categories and featured items right on the landing page. Next, you'll need to choose an item to look at. You can browse through categories such as women's clothing, accessories, home decor, or whatever else catches your eye. You could also use the search bar if you have a specific item in mind. Upon selecting an item, you'll be taken to its product page, which hosts all the details regarding the product. Now, the key here is to find the item description section. Typically, this section is located as you scroll down the product page. Here you will find all the necessary details you'll need, including sizes, colors, fabric information, and most importantly, the SKU number. The SKU number is usually located towards the bottom or sometimes hidden in between different sections of the product details. Scroll down gently, taking a good look at what's listed under descriptions and additional product info. It might take a brief moment to spot if you're doing this for the first time. Once you find the SKU code, make a mental note or jot it down, as this is the unique identifier for the item you're interested in. This number is critical when it comes to tracking your product or ensuring you're discussing the correct item, especially when communicating with customer service or reselling platforms. Lastly, if for any reason you cannot find the SKU after scrolling through the product description, you might notice clickable elements or some cryptic-looking numbers. Go ahead and click on them. They might reveal further detailed product information or expand sections you couldn't see before. This area could also offer you additional SKU-related details. And there you have it, a straightforward way to track down the SKU number on Shein. It's quite a simple yet useful skill to have, especially for online shopping. I hope this guide makes your shopping experience a touch easier and a lot more organized. Remember, every product page holds a wealth of information right at your fingertips.